Hey guys, how are you today? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good day. Hope the weather's nice wherever you are. Um, yeah, I had to start this video over again. That's why this looks different. You're in the right place. You got the right guy. I don't know why the light's playing tricks on us. I don't know. One of those days. One of those days. All right, I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 4, Lesson 13. All right, subtract and show how you know. Okay, so 190 is close to what number? What bigger number? Right, 200. So let's take 200 out of this number. We're going to take 200 out, minus 190. And over here, we're going to see what we have left. But we didn't touch the ones, so that number is it. We didn't touch the tens, so that number is going to stay the same. Then we took 2 out of the hundreds, so we're going to have that. So take that number, bring it down here, put the plus sign. Trust me, it's going to make sense in a minute. Okay. Now you have 200 minus 190. What is 200 minus 190? How many to get from 190 to 200? Wait, what? Yep, that's it. 10. Good. So it's 171 plus 10. That's correct. 181. Now let's check this real quick to make sure we got it right. So we can put 190 plus 181. Remember, if we get this number, we got it right. But for the parents, here's the place value chart. Here's my hundreds, here's my tens, and here's my ones. I'm going to show you both ways so that parents, you can see how the way we learned is here, standard algorithm, old people math, as I like to call it, or the new way, which is better. You might not like it. It is better. The kids get it easier. All right. So let's put our 190 in here. We have 100. We have 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You might want to make yours a little bigger. I made 10. I only needed 9 because I'm busy talking when I'm supposed to be concentrating. Okay. Make yours a little bigger. Make it easier. There's my 9. I have 0 ones, so I put nothing. My next number, I have 100. 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did too many again. I am off my game today. There's 8. My goodness. And 1, 1. So now let's count what we have in each section. In the ones, we have 1, just like here. 0 plus 1 is 1. Over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's too many. So we're going to take 10 and put them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put that over here. Like before when we were looping, we would loop like this and bring it over. Same thing. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now in the hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3. If we go over here, 9 plus 8. We did that here. 9 plus 8 is 17. So we put our 7 here, just like we did here. Oh, look, we're going to put a 10 on top here, just like we brought another 10 over right here. So now we have 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 371, 371, 371. That means if we put 181 here, we know we got it right. I'm not going to answer the next two, but I'm going to help you set them up. All right. 180 is close to what nice big round number with 2 zeros? It's close to 200 again. So let's take 200 out of here. 200, because we know 534 is bigger than 200. So what do we have left? We did not touch the ones, so we got that left. We did not touch the tens, so we got that left. But we did take 2 out of the hundreds. So 5 minus 2 is, that's correct. That number is going to come down here, 3, 3, 4. Minus, bring that number right down, 180 equals. We take this number and bring it right here. So plus equals, and here's our number. Remember, over here, you'll have 180 plus whatever number you get here. Put that here. Put that one up there. And then if you get 534, you got the number right. Next one, I will help you set up again. 270 is close to what nice big round number? Close to 300. Very good. You guys are getting this. I'm proud of you. 300 minus 270. So we did not touch the ones. We did not touch the tens, but we did take 3 out of the hundreds. So 6 minus 3 is 3. That goes down here, 350 plus equals. Find your answer here. That answer goes right here. Gotta work on my arrows today. They are not pointy enough. That answer goes here. And then over here, prove how you know. All right, on the back, which is page 64. Watch this. Haha, switch back to paper. Because look, I had this done once already. Had to change it because I had someone knocking at the door. The phone was ringing. The dog was barking. The cat was singing. Wait, cats can't sing. All right, sorry about that. Maybe my cat can. Write in the standard form. Take this, shrink it down. How many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones? Put it right here. Same thing here. Don't let it trick you what order it's in. If it's one number, it's a 1. If it's 2 numbers, the first number goes in tens. If it's 3 numbers, this number goes in the hundreds. Then here, you're just going to blow it up. Break it in parts. Break it in parts. Right? You can do that. And if these are helping you, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. I want to know there's people out there listening that you appreciate this and you want me to keep doing it. I don't need you to make any comments. I just need you to subscribe so I know people are watching these. All right? All right. I'm out of here for today. I'll see you in not too long for lesson 14. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, module 4, lesson 13 on pages 63 and 64. And as always, have a